Hello readers. Today, we will be building a YouTube downloader in Python 3 using the PyTube 3 library. The original PyTube library no longer works, and so we need to use the PyTube 3 library, which only works with Python 3 and not with Python 2. We will see various things we can do with our YouTube downloader and the various functionalities it offers to us. So, let's do it step by step. Downloading and importing the libraries. First things first. Before doing anything else, you need to download the PyTube 3 library in your system. To do this, we will be using Python 3. Type in the following command in the CLI to download and install PyTube 3 in your system. That's all. Congrats! You have just built your first simple YouTube downloader using Python. Use it for testing and educational purposes only. Do not misuse this knowledge.